Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your girl, Naraya. For those that are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are doing a hair tutorial today, girl. It's been so long since I have done a hair review. Huge shout out to Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video. It's really such an honor working with them. They sent over these amazing bundles, you guys. This is the box that you are expected to receive your bundles in. You get 2 bundles inside the dust bag. You also get a goodie bag with a brush and a bonnet, which I really like. Of course, you do have just some a pamphlet here to just go over exactly how to take care of your hair. So really love that. Packaging came very sturdy, very easy. As you guys will see, I did do a quick weave method here. So this is simply just glue and a cap. But I'm telling you guys, 2 bundles was more than enough to achieve the look that I wanted today. The thing about these bundles, they are luxurious upgrade bundles. It is 150 grams per bundle. So when I tell you 2 bundles will be more than enough, it will be more than enough. It literally gives you the amount to fill up as if you were using 3 or 4 bundles at the same time. And because the texture is just so kinky curly, you're gonna get an amazing vibe with this hair. Of course, if you are interested in watching this tutorial, make sure you keep on watching. I think this is a good one because, like I said, it's been a while since I did a hair review. We did a quick weave, and like I said, I think it turned out to be absolutely amazing. I was able to blend my leave out with just simply adding water, and my real hair curled up just a little bit, and it blends in literally seamlessly. Like, I don't even think you can tell where my real hair starts and stops. Love the overall outcome of this hair. So of course, if you are interested, make sure you keep on watching today's video and enjoy the tutorial. Of course, all details for this hair will be linked down below in the description box, and I hope you enjoy it. We are literally like here, okay? It took me like a good 30 minutes to get all of these bundles glued on. Honestly, this is literally all that I have left of the 2 bundles. So 2 bundles is definitely more than enough to get this look. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it and really get it to the liking that I have. If you are someone that likes this vibe, this is definitely simple and easy to go. As you can see, it's very kinky curly, it's giving throw, it's definitely giving 70s disco night. I don't know. So what I'm about to do now, since all of the tracks are glued on, I'm going to just cut off the rest of the cap so we can start to blend my leave out, which should be really easy with this type of hair. I'm gonna go in with some water to really kind of just condition these curls to how I want them to be. See how much that makes a difference from this to this. I'm gonna go in with some conditioner. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, it took a lot to really mold this hair down. It took me quite a while to really wet this down and get the look that I wanted. When it came to my leave out, I literally just sprayed water on it and it blended in so seamlessly. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really can't tell just how natural this looks. I mean, literally. I'm not using edge control or anything like that. This hairstyle really doesn't give that vibe. It's just a very nice natural texture to the hair. It really does feel like my hair, which is just amazing. I molded it down with a lot of water, a lot of conditioner, because these bundles come very, very, very thick, as you guys can see. So this is sort of the end result. I am loving this. I do have my blow dryer here because my hair is super wet. I'm just gonna blow dry it just for a teeny bit on low. And this is the final look. I really, really enjoyed working with these bundles today. Honestly, they are just some amazing full size bundles. If you're definitely into kinky girl curly hair, if you're a curly hair girl, if you really like that natural vibe, I really think you will enjoy these bundles by Curlsqueen. Huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I just love how seamless this is blended into my leave out. I don't have to do all that extra edge control, or really I could just wake up and be very natural add some water, and call it a day. So huge shout out to them. Like I said, these are some really high quality bundles. The Wefts were chef's kiss. I love how sturdy and durable these Wefts were. Okay, so they definitely get a 10 out of 10 for that. I love the packaging. Everything came on time. Keep in mind, everything will be linked down below in the description box. So of course, if you felt interested to take advantage of these, I hope that you will. You can find them directly down below. So thank you for watching another video. I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, I'll see you later.